Hi guys, my name is Annie. I hope you all have a great day so far. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm doing DIY sewing. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to see new video every time. In video today, I'm gonna show you how to make a shirred dress that I saw on Instagram and Pinterest with so many styles. I'm quite obsessed with them, and I decided to attempt making my own shirred dress adapted from my wardrobe in this form. My dress has some details on it, such as shouldering elements at the shirt and a little bit at the end of the sleeves. I also create a lovely puffy knit to the top of sleeves with the elastic. It's got two strings which can be tied at the back and the slit at the right leg of skirt. I'll show you step by step how to make it. Okay, let's get started. The fabric I'm using for my dress is silk with tiny floral on it. I love how feeling when I touch it. It's really smooth and soft. For the button, I just start with a normal shirt like this, and here the half of shirt. From top of center line, I'm going to go down 15 cm and draw a straight line out to the neckline to make it front side. For the back side is almost identical to the front, just different at the top. It will be lower 4 cm than front side. After cut out the bust panel, then I'm gonna extend it from the center line. I'm going to plait 15 cm. Next, I'm going to working on the sleeve. From the shoulder, I'm gonna place 8 cm. So now, measuring the length of neckline and making the sleeve button. For the skirt button, front and back are identical to each other, but I'm gonna divide front side in 3 panels to creating the slit on the right leg. Alright, let's cut our fabric. Okay, I'm starting to work with front skirt. Let's connect the left panel to the center panel by sewing machine and overlocking by my serger. And I'm going to press a thin interfacing on the edge of the right panel and the right side of the center panel to make them thicker. Now, from top, go down 31 cm and mark on both panels, and stitching them together from top to the marked point. After that, I'm gonna hem the slit. So now I'm going to plait the front skirt and back skirt on the right side together, sewing and overlocking. Then I'm going to hem the bottom of skirt. Moving on to the sewing panel, I'm starting by hemming the top edge of the fabric. I'm gonna fold the fabric one time to the wrong side and stitch it. Then I'm going to trim the excess fabric. Next, I'm gonna fold one time more and stitch it. And now, I'm gonna show you how to set up sewing elastic. Starting to hand widen the sewing elastic onto the bobbin, and then place it into the sewing machine. Before starting to sewing fabric, I often look at the presser foot to make sure my sewing stitching are nice and straight. You can see the sewing elastic begin to gather off the fabric. Keep going to the next row. I just leave the presser foot and turn the fabric, then sew down sewing on. Doing that onto the bottom and the back panel. Alright, I got two panels like this. Now, I'm going to connect front and back together at the both sides by sewing machine, then overlocking by my serger. Next, I'm going to cut some panel with 3 cm width to make it 2 strings. Now, fold it in half and stitch it. Cut the excess fabric and turn the right side out. Remember to press to make them flat and nice. For the sleeve, I'm starting to hem the bottom with the same way like the breast part. Then I'm going to make 5 shoulder rows next to the hemming line. Next, I'm going to connect both sides together. I'm going to cut 2 panels with 9 cm width, fold it in half and press it. Now, I'll outline the slit into the armhole and using chalk to mark. Next, I'm going to place the top of slit into this panel and stitch it from the marked point to the other one. At the front side of the slit, from the inner side, go up 18 cm and unthread about 1 cm. Then, I'm gonna insert the string on and stitching again, doing that onto the other slit. Next, I'm using the elastic side 3 cm with 22 cm length and thread it through by using self-beam. Then, I'm gonna stitch on the end to make them in place. Okay, it's time to connect the slit into the armhole and overlooking by my serger. Lastly, I just connect top and skirt together to finish. And here the final result. I love it so much. It's really lovely, stunning and girly. Hope you like it and enjoy this video. See you next day. Bye.